Alright, it's in May. First time we used it this year. Got the Scag Patriot. Gonna change the oil. Oop, there it is. So anyhow, they provide a nice drain tube right from the factory, but you kind of need this 2x4 in there. And then we'll get her draining. Well, we got our Briggs & Stratton oil filter. We did get the short one because there isn't any room in there. And we're just going to check and see which one of these will fit. That one's too small. That one will work. And that one will work. So we'll try and see if the blue handle one will work. That looks easier. Got my highly modified catch can here. I'm going to put that underneath the oil filter when I take it off, and hopefully it's not going to overfill, which I doubt. My finger's getting slippery. Alright, I don't know if you can see that very good. Huh. So anyhow, it was above that second line, and now it's like right on the bottom line after starting it. So just add a little bit. Alright, we're going to see if she's full. You probably can't tell, but it is right at that top hole, so it is good. As bad as that looked, I'm going to change the oil in that thing. Alright. So 13 hours on this mower was the first time it's been changed. And I don't know if you can see that. That come out of the filter. Whole bunch of speckles in there. switch acted up again. And it's right there. Putting a little dielectric grease on there. Get there, dielectric. Put a little bit more there. And this one didn't act up, but I'll put it on there anyhow. So, and put it on the switches there. Alright, we got the FF15 track up in the air here. Pretty good lean to it. This time, we're gonna see if it comes out better here. Alright, found me a cardboard ramp. Gonna go right down there. Alright, I gave it a cardboard ramp. Just gonna give it a little air. Want it all to come out. We'll just let that drain a while. Alright, I just got the new extended drain tube here. So it's a 12 millimeter. It's an upgrade drain oil changing hose. Oil drain aid tool. It's made by your buddies in China. Alright, since I don't have a wrench that'll fit, there's no clearance for a wrench. Use my highly modified needle nose vice grips bent at a 90-degree angle. And got that for added power here. Alright, I think I'm gonna zip tie it over here. Plenty of holes. Well, that's gonna make it tough to access that. I'll just leave it down there. Well, that's that. Got the top of it all secured, nice and tight. It'll cut that easy. Got a little protection there. I wrote on there with that line to make sure, in case it backs out, that I'll know it backed out. Alright, using the funnel from Dollar General. Just perfect for this application here. So I took a little nipple from the tools box, put a little grease zerk on there, put it on the end of here, and works good for those things.